So this is week 14 and we are getting ready for the baking. I'm using local method because I prefer using this method. Because even after the baking, they will still eat their feed. It will not stop them from eating and they will not bleed. So we are going to start this morning. I hate seeing my birds bleeding and then throughout the day they will not eat. They will not eat food, you will see blood stain everywhere. That is why I prefer this local method. So enjoy watching as we continue. So I'm not the only person that is going to do this work. We are about 4 so that it can be a bit fast. Local debaking used to be very slow. Can you see how it looks like? Very dry. No bleeding at all. So these ones that are outside, you're already done with them. Can you see how they are moving? We're already done with these ones. And it does not stop them from eating. Can you see how they are picking things? So we are done after